replacement petrol caps. So not everybody wants to stick on one, so we obviously do genuine replacements on the aftermarket ones. As you can see, it's got the clips on it. So on these, basically going to open it, there's a little tab on the inside just above where the latch is there, and you just get a flathead screwdriver, put that inside and just basically lever it off, and then you can twist the cap, and then that, it says, comes off. So as you can see there, so basically it's this portion here that you've got to lever back, because you can see that locks in behind there. And then all you're going to do is same orientation, lock it back on there, and as you can see there, the clip that goes back in, make sure it's level across, and that's it. You can get these on our website, www.kilochrome.com. Keep liking, subscribing, sharing, etc. Thanks for watching.